Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to change registered mobile number from your Tata Sky account. But here I show the steps by using Tata Sky mobile application, and this trick common for all Android mobile devices including iOS iPhone also, because this application setting location is common. So nowadays lots of users are using this Tata Sky TTH service. At that time, they ask for your mobile number for complete the verification purpose. So if you like to change your mobile number, just follow me friends. So let's get started. So first of all, open your Tata Sky mobile application in your Android mobile or iOS device. And then click to sign in your account details. So now my Tata Sky account is ready to use. So here you can press that profile icon, and it is placed at almost top of right side corner, and it shows my profile picture, and followed by it shows some options. So here you can select my Tata Sky and the first one, and this time it shows my entire details like subscriber ID, remaining balance and expiry date. But you can go to my account settings and the final one, and one more time it shows same informations, but in top it has some options. So you can scroll these options from right side to left side, and then select profile and the final one. So in this section in bottom it shows my Tata Sky registered mobile number. So if you want to change it, just press edit profile option. Now you can go to that mobile number section and then enter your new mobile number. So once you change these settings, and don't forget to save these changes, and after the few minutes the Tata Sky automatically change your registered mobile number. So this is the way you can easily change your Tata Sky registered mobile number by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.